Have you ever looked at your life and wondered, why did I have to go through this? Maybe you lost someone you loved. Maybe you failed at something you worked hard for. Maybe people hurt you, rejected you, or made you feel like you were not enough. But what if I told you that the broken pieces of your life are not the end of your story? What if your scars are not proof that you were defeated, but proof that you survived? Today, many people try to show a perfect life. They show happiness, success, and beautiful moments, but they hide their struggles. The truth is, every person has battles they don't talk about. A tree that has survived strong storms becomes stronger because of the challenges it faced. In the same way, difficult moments can build courage, wisdom, and strength inside us. Your struggles do not remove your value, they can reveal your strength. Think about a piece of gold that goes through fire. The heat does not destroy the gold, it removes what is not needed and makes it more valuable. Life's difficult seasons can do something similar. The pain you experienced can teach you patience. The rejection you faced can teach you confidence. The tears you cried can teach you compassion for others. Your past may have hurt you, but it does not have the power to define your future. Do not be ashamed of your journey. The person who survived difficult days is not the same person who entered those days. You are stronger because you kept going. Every scar carries a message. I faced something difficult, but I did not give up. Your broken pieces can become the foundation of a stronger, wiser, and more beautiful version of yourself.